Welcome to the Hawking Floor Plan by HHHunt Homes. This single-family home is part of HHHunt Homes' Smart Living Collection, which offers homeowners a brand new quality home at an affordable price. With 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a garage, this home has everything you need to live your best life. The first floor offers a spacious family room, perfect for get-togethers. This room flows seamlessly into our dining nook, which opens to your chef-inspired kitchen with an optional island. Because we know that functionality matters, we placed your pantry right next to your garage entry, perfect for carrying in groceries. The first floor also has a half bath, perfect for when you are hosting family and friends. Upstairs you'll find a loft and your bedrooms. The additional bedrooms and bathroom are the perfect size and include large closets. Designed with you in mind, your laundry room is on this floor, so say goodbye to carrying laundry up and down the stairs. Welcome to your owner's suite. This spacious room includes your own private bath, so relax and soak your cares away. You also have a massive walk-in closet, so storage will not be an issue in this thoughtfully designed home. Learn more about this floor plan by visiting hhhunthomes.com. Because at HH Hunt, it's how you live that matters.